This is the Holiday Core AlphaPix Flex, fully customizable and ready-to-run controller. Let's start off with the power. The power can be supplied by either 1 or 2 power supplies, and those can be, if you have 2 power supplies, split between 5 and 12 volts, or both the same voltage. Those power supplies can be delivered with 120 or 240 volts, and they can be delivered with standard US Canadian plugs or Australian plugs. Now, that power is then delivered to the AlphaPix Flex boards. Now, if you have multiple power supplies, that does imply that you will be running many outputs. In this particular case, we have 32 outputs on this one single controller, the highest density in this type of class on the market. Now, those can be split between 2 SPI boards. So in this particular setup, we have actually 3 SPI boards, and I'll turn this so you can see it in just a moment. And those are split up 1 through 16 and 17 through 32. Now, all the cable labels on these are fully labeled and color-coded based upon the voltage, and they're all specific to the number. So they will show up as 32, for example, or 6. Now, those cables come in through the waterproof enclosure through fully clamped connections so that they are nice and tight. If you're carrying them by the cables, you'll have no problems. The power is also handled through a waterproof gland and comes through the unit. Now, those are terminated onto SPI boards. Now, for specific details about our expansion boards or very specific information about the functionality in the AlphaPix Flex, see our other videos. Now, also in here, we have mounted a long-range output board. Again, see our other videos for additional information, and that would allow you to reach out to longer distance devices. Now, also in this unit are 2 Cat5 cable extensions. So these go bulkhead right through the unit. So they're waterproof connections right through here with caps on them. And all of this is mounted in our HC2500 enclosure. And that has full latching on the sides and also includes mounting options on the reverse side. Now those are accessible through the notches at the top of this unit. This is the AlphaPix Flex, ready to run a system.